To sing Photograph by Ed Sheeran, you need four chords: G, D, B minor, and A. Let's take a look how to play each of them. This is how you play the G chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Strum all strings. This is how you play the D chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Strum all strings except the 6th and 5th strings. This is how you play the B minor chord on guitar. Use your index finger to bar the 2nd fret. Place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string. Place your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Strum all strings except the 6th string. This is how you play the A chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Place your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. Strum all strings except the 6th string. Let's jump into the song. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It's the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes are never closing, our hearts can never broken, our time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that whatever piece of you is the only thing that make us when we die. remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me to come home. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what song you want me to do next.